It's very bright, I can't see anything. But we're at Mirror Beach. Hello. Wave hi like we're friends. All right, we're gonna go to some sand and I'm gonna put some blood on. It's gonna be great.
Pretty sure it's on the left.
I'll just do left arm, right thigh, and right hand. You will notice that the bandage is not on my left arm anymore because somebody told me the wrong arm. But we fixed it. We got bandage, bandage, bandages, bandage, and we're good to go. Time to start. There was a slight problem, as you saw on the end of that clip. My camera got wet, John's camera got wet, both of them are malfunctioning. And both of them kind of work to a point right now. They're usable. My shutter on this doesn't close anymore, but at least I can see through it again. So, yeah, I guess we're just gonna keep going.
Okay?
Yeah.
Camera okay?
Yeah. Wait, hang on. Wait, can you see it? Can it load? Oh, worth it. So the secret here is that only one of these arrows has a tip and the rest of them are all... Oh my God, you found it.
It came back.
I was just about to say that it washed out to sea.
And it
The
did.
only one that has the tip.
It came back.
It came back. All right, so we're gonna do one last set of arrow shots.
It's a little
And
close
then
now.
that's all right. That is okay. And hopefully that's the last of it. And mission accomplished. It was an ordeal, but we did it. And everybody in this parking lot thinks I'm a murderer because I just walked out of the bathroom covered in blood and shoving bloody clothes into a bag. That's fine. But yeah, so we're gonna go home now and I'm gonna take the hottest bath in the history of hot baths. And then we're gonna look at look at photos first, and then I'll do that. I don't even care anymore. I'm gonna eat my chicken nuggets.